Hello class, welcome to Daddy's School Lesson 4. Today we have a big challenge. We're going to try to simplify this super long equation. It's not really an equation, it's just an expression. Okay, so first, how many variables are here? I see a variable r here, and I see another variable r here. Any other variables? No? Good. I also see a negative. Who knows how to handle negatives? Zayali, do you know how to handle negatives?
Negative equals plus.
Negative of a negative is a positive. Good. Okay, so now let's do the distribution property. We distribute here and we distribute there. We're going to distribute here and we're going to distribute there. Got it? Okay, so 3 times 5 plus 3 times negative 2r. Good. And then we have minus minus. So we plus negative 2 times negative 3r. We're running a little bit out of space. Plus negative 2 times 1. Did you see how we did the distribution? 3 times 5.
That's very
3 times,
long.
I know. 3 times negative 2r. Negative 2 times negative 3r. Negative 2 times 1. So now let's simplify. Azalea, what's 3 times 5? What's 3 times 5? Great job. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, Azalea, can you tell me what 3 times negative 2 is? What's 3 times negative 2? What's 3 times negative 2, Azalea? What's 3 times 2? Good. So what's 3 times negative 2? Negative. 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 times negative 2 is negative. Louder. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 times negative 2 is negative. Good. 3 times negative 2 is negative. And then we add the r. Okay, now we have negative 2 times negative 3. What's negative 2 times negative 3? Azalea, what's negative 2 times negative 3? Negative 2 times negative 3, Azalea, go. Negative 2 times negative 3. What's 2 times 3?
2 times 3 is 6.
Good. What's negative times negative? Negative times negative is... So negative 2 times negative 3 is positive. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive. What's 2 times 3? Good. Positive 6r. And then negative 2 times 1. Anything times 1 is itself. So minus 2. Do I see any terms that can match? Let's see. We have a negative 6r here. And we have a plus 6r here. They match. So we can cross them out together. Got it? And then we have 15 minus 2. Azalea, what's 15 minus 2? Who can tell me what 15 minus 2 is? 15 minus 2 is 13. Wow. This complicated expression. 3 times 5 minus 2r minus 2 times quantity negative 3r plus 1. becomes
Daddy,
13.
why are you doing it so slow when it's such long?
I know. Questions, Azalea? Let's put a smiley face. Great job. Bye.